Hi guys, it's Wednesday and katatapos ko lang din mag-prepare. So, since it's Wednesday, naka-uniform tayo today. So, anyway guys, samahan niyo ako na pumunta na sa work. So, yan guys, nandun ako sa work, and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales, and aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales, and aside from that guys, waiting pa din tayo sa update kung meron na bang biyahe papuntang Ormoc, kasi nga, yung truck natin is nandun na sa port. So, waiting na lang sila sa pagsakay ng barko papuntang Ormoc. So, anyway guys, that would be my agenda. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys and mag-work lang muna ako. So, anyway guys, after work nga pala, we decided na bumili ng chocolate moist and di kami sure kung magkano talaga yung presyo niya pero nakita lang din kasi ito ng partner ko sa Facebook. So, we decided na mag-try and talaga nag-crave talaga kami ng chocolate moist. So, anyway guys, andito na pala kami sa store and bibili lang kami ng chocolate moist and ita-try namin kung worth it ba talaga siyang bilhin. So, anyway guys, after namin bumili, diretso lang din kami sa bahay. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!